Island.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Yeah, the island. You know, we tell them, you're the whole of Australia. This the island, them a wrong turn. Now left my family and no road. Friends like them, dog, me no deserve you, the island. Them want look at your girl. Do you come from the island? Loyal, too loyal. You're the island, but some boys switch up when money start make.
Hi. How was school today?
Awesome.
You having ice cream after school? Do you like school? Do you like school?
No.
Island, what did you learn at school today?
Leg.
ABC. You learned ABC today?
ABC.
Yeah. What else did you learn? Yeah. How old are you? How old are you? 2. Yeah, 2. What's your name? Island. He points to himself and says Island. What else? No, you're not 5. You're not 5. You're going to be 3 this year. 3. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. You enjoy that ice cream? You gonna dance? Dance. Cute boy. Island. Island. Hey, say hi. Hey, babe. Where going?
Yeah.
Nice day, Australia Day.
Yeah, Australia Day.
What you would say, Invasion Day.
Yeah, enjoy the beach and all.
Yeah. Public holiday.
The sun was really hot, but it feels good now actually.
Yeah.
But you're enjoying.
He's so brave, guys.
Get up.
Got him this new costume. Nice and bright. You got
working on it.
Taking all that yucky stuff out, huh? That's a mad big bar.
Yeah.
Come on, Bobo.
Yeah, you're listening.
Island was singing a daddy song.
I've been slowly. You used to become peer. You can't tell about me. Alright then, that's not nothing you can not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend that try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice, eh? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night the rest. Me can't forget how them used to send me dance like me daddy and me not go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I'm hungry I bite my chest. Let me tell you my life been quite depressing. I mean now I'm you go come face the same. So even though I forgive them I will never give in. Tell me I'ma forget that. How them used to love over me, babe. Tell me I'ma forget that. Them don't want to see my past poverty, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget, I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget now, but feel lifeless. Me can't forget all my life did said. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night the rest. Me can't forget all them used to send me dance like me daddy and me not go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I'm hungry I bite my chest. Let me tell you my life been quite depressing. I mean now I'm you go come face the same. So
on,
even though I
sing it,
forgive
Papa.
them I will never
Go.
give in. Tell me I'ma forget that. How them used to love over me, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Them never wanna see me past poverty, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget. Hi guys,
Hi guys.
welcome back to the island family.
Welcome back to the Island family.
Went to Shelly Beach today.
Island said hi guys.
Hi, happy time.
Yeah,
Cold.
it's Australia Day today. Yeah man, so
Asian day.
yeah man, we're at the beach. Well, the beach, what am I saying? We're at this park that we went to recently.
Yeah,
Right, babe?
we did.
Yeah, so
Island
just,
came here for a birthday party.
yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy a little waterfall
Island's gonna enjoy himself.
before we go
Aren't
home.
you, Mister? Island? Oh, Mommy's in it. Mommy's in it. Oh!
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know. I was everywhere.
Wow. What are you doing? Bye. Bye, Island. Have a,
Choo-choo train?
Here's my face.
yeah?
Yes.
You have fun?
Yeah, for
Where did you hurt yourself?
head.
Where? I thought it was Dodo.
No, I hurt head. Oh, head.
Do you want to go on the real train?
No.
All right, let's go. Me, you, and Mum, Daddy. Let's go.
Come.
Let's go.
Come, Mommy.
Let's go. Let's go to the real train, the real one. Let's go.
When not?
Yeah, the real train. You want to go?
Huh?
Come on.
Hey, go, keep going, come on. Este por la edad que con la edad que tiene.
Yeah.
Mira.
Go. Go, Island. Go, Island. Go. Go, Island. Go. Go. Go, Bobo, go.
Come here.
¿Vamos a al parque? ¿Vamos todos al parque?
Acá tiene el parque.
No, ahí tiene golazo ahí.
Gol.
Gol.
El manquito.
¡Ey! ¡Papá!
Come on, up, papi. No, nothing. That is nothing. Come on. Up. That's it. Keep going. Now, a ver, show me. I kill it. Come here.
Mira, 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 mira.
You look at the ball. You look at the ball.
Good boy, good boy. Go, Bobo, go. Go, Gucci, Gucci.
Oh my goodness. Este. Oh.
See guys, that's how the hail, the hail starts to form.
The lightning, you see that?
It starts to form that way.
It's right up the window to here.
Islands we guys come out. Oh my gosh. So let me turn that AC on. It's hot. Still very hot here, guys. We're reaching 35, but as you guys can see, like it looks like it's, but judging by the sky, it's a very, very pretty color action at the moment. It's very
But
pretty.
this side is more light, but over here is
Over
dark.
there, it looks like it's forming a